Throughout history, prophecies have sparked intrigue and speculation, with figures like Nostradamus becoming synonymous with foresight. His writings speak of cataclysmic events and royal destinies, some of which have been startlingly accurate, while others remain shrouded in mystery. On the flip side, pop culture has generated its own predictions, notably in The Simpsons, where episodes eerily mirror future events, raising eyebrows and curiosity alike. However, many prophecies have missed the mark entirely, leaving scholars and enthusiasts to debate their true significance. This comparison of truths and misfires serves to captivate our imagination about the future, blurring the lines between belief and skepticism as we ponder the powerful impact of prophetic visions across time.